Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bring another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, in the UK-based phase of the cross-examination, it has been revealed that Clive Williams and also viewers and subscribers, the Crown Witness, the prosecution's prize Crown Witness, made a deal with their office and also the JCF viewers and subscribers, along with being charged with possession of the firearm. They, viewers and subscribers, were going to be charged with Barrington Bosie Burton's incident that took place in Gregory Park, a case that they tried to then, after that deal being established, place on Vybz Kartel, but it did not work, viewers and subscribers. That is when they cooked up the story of Clive Williams going missing. Now, let's look at it, viewers and subscribers. Detective Constable Avriel Thomas of the Major Investigation Task Force testified that on August 22nd in 2011, he went to Swallowfield Avenue in Avondale, where he saw that, or what he claimed, looked like bloodstains on the door jamb. He said he swabbed the area, placed crime scene markers around the bloodstains, and then sent the swab to the government forensic laboratory to be analyzed. Now, viewers and subscribers, following instructions from Superintendent Cornwall Biggerford, the officer in charge of the then flying squad, he assembled a team and executed warrants on numerous residents, viewers and subscribers, that they claimed belonged to Vybz Kartel. The searches revealed nothing. Now, after that, after these swabs were sent to the forensics laboratory, Nicole Brown Baxter, a government forensic analyst, says on August 29, remember, on the 22nd, they sent and recovered these swabs. She said when she returned to the residence not then owned by Vybz Kartel, she observed several areas where fires were started, she said, and she also saw ignitable equipment. She did not say on the specific areas where the swabs were from there were any fire, and the swabs themselves, viewers and subscribers, did not reveal any forensics belonging to anybody involved in the case. Now, let's also look at the deal cut by the so-called Crown Witness and also Clive Williams. Now, viewers and subscribers, the so-called Crown Witness testified that yes, officers did indeed recover a weapon from his residence. However, said he was not subsequently charged for said weapon. We know that something ago, based on the fact that it was not on his person. Is a technicality that you can get off from, but the fact is that he said he was never charged with the incident, viewers and subscribers, leaving one to think that right there and then is where it all started from. Remember, it was not only the possession of these firearms with them all limp on, the same so-called shoes them where they must go missing. These individuals were held with them and were subsequently going to be charged with an incident that took place in their area of residence, prompting them to do not what? Wanna feel like that would have prompted them to do. And the fact that we already see the results of their choice. One was never charged with anything. His statement itself was not even used to secure the conviction, just to plant the story in the minds of the people. Remember, what he was there for was to tell a story, viewers and subscribers. And it wasn't, as well, story writers would have said, it wasn't a compelling story, because I'm telling you, somebody that pursue him, he might flee for him life, dog bite the individual, and turn back to help him, and everything was alright. That is not even a well-written story, to say the least. But it is the one presented by the so-called crowned witness in the Vybz Kartel trial. It is also, as to what the 3-judge tribunal said, corresponded with the so-called tampered with voice notes for paint the picture. Remember, that is what they're basing it on. The fact that this person said what he said. The fact that they're saying that the phones correspond with what this person said occurred. Even though the defense has successfully pointed out that no, these messages were arranged to back the witness statement, viewers and subscribers, based on the fact that them cut deal. Freedom is a must. Freedom is a must. Them always say it, what is in the dark must be revealed. But they are pointed out to viewers and subscribers. Clear corruption. Clear corruption. Remember, one of the incidents that these individuals were going to be charged with subsequently became an incident that them not try for place upon the teacher himself and the Gaza 4. That was the tactic. Take the charge that was going to be placed on them and place it on the Gaza 4. It didn't stick. And within that time, we don't know who decided that this would be the other move. The other move was to say, watching now, we're going to use another individual who is complacent in the move. Remember, this individual is already a part of what take place. Let's use one of them. Was the idea that crossed someone's mind. No doubt. And this is the evidence presented in open court. No wonder the Jamaican Senate has said what has taken place in Vybz Kartel's case, viewers and subscribers, is an outrage. And they are not doubtful that the UK Privy Council will release the teacher based on these facts alone. May I point out this to the viewers and subscribers? Reasons for the teacher's release are more numerous than the reasons to keep him behind the bars. Reasons for his release are more numerous than the reasons to keep him behind the bars. Take a moment and think about it. Majority of the evidence point to the fact that the prosecution not only crossed the line but break the law to secure that conviction. It has been revealed that the evidence was not handled in a sophisticated manner. It has been revealed that the evidence itself was manipulated, tampered with, and stitched together by who we can now say is an unknown force, because no one has stepped forward to take responsibility. We have, however, pointed that the phone and the evidence was in the possession of a certain entity. And without calling names, we are saying that if the tampering took place while the device was in their custody, it must have been them. Who else could have done it? We know the story given by the crown was a fairy tale story, sound like something from a bad movie. But nobody never sneak in and tamper with the evidence in the lockup and then cut. No, the device itself would have been removed. So we have to separate fact from fiction, viewers and subscribers, illusions and gut feelings from what the evidence is saying. And the evidence is saying free Vybz Kartel and all co-accused. The Gaza 4 must be released, viewers and subscribers. Simple as that. That is all the evidence is pointing towards. Talk to me in the comment section. First and foremost, Vice the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I am reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, and drop a like on the blog from a like we here. The share icon is also in close proximity to the like icon. Drop a like and bust a share on the vlog in truth. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You might not move settings from, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.